Got the move, got the style, got the smart, got the smile, got the skills, got the tools. He's the coolest. He's pretty.
Wow, Mommy.
Happy birthday to one awesome kid.
Give me.
Oh yeah, he gave me still more than $20. Oh. What happened to this?
I don't know who that one was from. I don't know the name.
Wishing you a terrible birthday. Happy birthday. Psych.
From who?
Is that fake money?
This is an old bill. Is that big money?
Awesome. I think I'll $10 bill. $10
It doesn't say who's it from?
What's that?
That looks like
That's from Andre.
yeah, I know. Andre. It's gonna be a. You remember you used to have one of those? Oh,
Ah.
I got another one. You have it? Yeah.
Let me see.
Well, now you have bullets in the green thing, huh? Yeah. No, you put bullets in the orange.
Okay.
I got two chop chunks.
That one's from
From you on the desk?
what's that? Banana.
Paper.
Bracelet.
Adventure time. Oh!
Let's see.
Like a boss.
Wow.
Let me see.
I thought it would say like a boss.
Back in the bag.
I thought it would say like a boss.
It's okay. Just put it back in the bag.
My other bracelet. I probably put it in there.
Next one. That one. Let's see the other bag. That bag.
The creeper inside. Again,
Wow.
from Minecraft. Like they know you got Minecraft. We're doing like 10 million shots.
There you go.
Let me
Somebody
see.
from Texas.
Huh?
It's something I would do in Minecraft.
I love Minecraft too.
It's something I would do in Minecraft. Just hide in the box.
Had to go connect your Minecraft?
Hey, I got Steve's
See if
head.
you find the tag on this one. I don't know. I didn't see a tag. Read the
Look at the
says.
tag, says. See who it's from.
Look at the tag on the bag.
Fireworks. Happy birthday. It doesn't say.
I dare you.
Stop getting my string.
I dare you. Oh, you get those at Walmart.
Go, mommy.
Remember we're getting them
Seth, turn around. Go sit down where you were at.
I told them I could have them in my mom's.
Go stand over there where you were at.
I dare you.
Oh my god.
There you can. Okay. Go, mommy.
See it? Turn it around.
Hey, my god.
My gosh, you can play Minecraft every day.
Yeah. Creepers. Hey, what's up, bro?
And then we should write it down. Put it in the bag.
I want to use that.
That was from Jackie and Alfred.
I dare you.
Let me see that. Can you get it?
Oh, she has it. I'll carry it. That's go back. I can't.
Not right now. Wait. Go back where you were
Oh,
at.
it's like a rocket ship. You feel the breeze in it.
That one was from Jackie and Alfred. Turn this way.
Seth.
Put it on the table.
Oh, I got it. Get the video.
You don't even have a PS3 anymore. Xbox. Oh. Batman.
It's pretty cool.
I think I better
Batman. The Batman game.
I had it. Still have it. So I sold my PS3. Hi. Chop your cake in half and get a double frosting. From Awesome Tony and Amy.
Good.
So the big green one was from Rhino Monica, the one with the fireworks.
Okay.
Can we do the fireworks right now?
No.
Say thank you on the camera.